This is Tony Baca, Senior Vice President of Safety at Berglund Construction Company, and this week's Safety Toolbox Talk is on rooftop work taking place on our projects. And what we have here is we have a roofing contractor that is following all the OSHA regulations. He's got his flagging more than 6 feet off the leading edge around the entire perimeter of this project. And they've elected not to do the monitor system and brought in 2 Raptors. Each Raptor is rated for 10,000 pounds. And as you can see, this gentleman here and the 2 tradesmen on the far end that are on the other side of the flagging are 100% tied off at all times. Now, the roofing standard for rooftop work gives them a couple of options. They can be tied off on leading edge, and or they can use what they call a safety monitor, and that safety monitor is not supposed to have any other duties, and that can be problematic because in the past I've come up on the job sites where the monitor has stated, okay, I'll monitor the guys on the leading edge, and he has no other duties, and when you come up on the roof you find that individual doing duties and he's not paying attention to the guys on the leading edge. We have about a 30-foot fall exposure on this particular roof, and our superintendent on this particular project is really holding the line. He comes up here 3-4 times a day to monitor the actions taken place by this particular contractor, and I will say that the compliance up here is very, very good for a roofing contractor. So moving forward on our bid proposals and collecting our site-specific safety plans from each and every subcontractor, including the rooftop contractors, we need to monitor what they're doing up here to make sure that they're following their own safety plan and what was agreed upon per project. Now, keep in mind, they're allowed 6 feet of flagging from the edge, but the rest of us, which would be our HVAC guys or any other subcontractors up here, that flagging is now supposed to be set back 15 feet from the edge for all trades not involved in rooftop operations and scopes. So just something to keep in mind in regard to the fall protection standard for roofers versus everyone else in the trades. Talk a little bit about this amongst your peers. Let's have a safe day. Let's have a safe week. Thank you.